sunshine. Hey, God is good. How good can God get? That's what I'm trying to imagine. Beyond the beyonds, I'll tell you that. The universe only says yes to you. It's all there is. It's all you are. Change your perception. Change your whole reality. Frequency band of possibilities that can unfold from the field are always going to be in resonant harmony with our personal vibratory levels and frequencies of consciousness. And there are no limits. We are now in an infinite frequency band of possibilities. Huh, sunshine? I should have listened to you sooner. You tried to tell me. We just continue to raise our personal vibratory levels and consciousness with love, sunshine, gratitude, compassion, kindness for all and everything. What sunshine? More illumination into our minds and our bodies through the sun, through your heart there, through our thoughts and our words and our actions and our deeds and our habits and our diets and our conscious breath. From anywhere and any time, we at the same point on the timeline, whenever we're at 0 point. That point, get that right? Delilah? Where you going? Dizzy alone. As long as we continue raising our consciousness with love and gratitude and compassion through our thoughts and actions, habits and breath, Mother Earth, she will continue raising her consciousness throughout the whole planet. To accommodate our consciousness rising, we are Mother Earth, and it's all there is. We are all there is. Because the universe only says yes to us. Because that's all we are, and that's all there is, and never will be. Hello? I'm not saying this just because all the ancient wisdom traditions and all the latest cutting-edge science all agree. I am saying this because it is the divine nature of reality, the divine truth, and the only authority. Science and faith and spirituality, and everything else are one. There's no separation, no distance, time, or space between us or anything in reality. It is all you. It's all there is, never will be. You can't kill energy. Always been here, always will be. Amen. Love. Love you, boy.
Can't kill energy. Always been here. Always will be. With love.